Okwiruka ngoku kubire kutebekanisiibwa ba Rotary Club ya Mbarara ekwatanise na TV West na nikigenderwa cyo kurundana sente ezo kugura ebyoma byokuta omwirwariro Ageihangwe rya Mbarara okuhwera berere abarukuzarwa batashikire na naba barukwija barwire munonga. Dr. Elias Kumba orukurirwaro eryaberera hirwaro rikure rya Mbarara yagira ngo irwaro rya Mbarara neryakira berere 13 buri mwaka kandi aba nebetenga obuhereza bw'amani.
About 3,000 babies every year, and those need a home. Some of them very sick and need very specialized equipment. And what we are doing is to work together with Rotary Club of Mbarara and other Rotary clubs, and we are looking for partners, and together we will need about $300,000.
Yaashaba abantu bona okugumana betaba omuhururu nkezi ezo kwirukangira enshonga nkuru ezigenderire kusyobuhereza abantu.
Whatever coin, whatever shilling you've contributed makes a very big difference, and within the next few years you will see, we will actually call you and invite you to come and see what you have contributed to.
Kuraising dollars au kwa fundraising anaye rumanga gayeru kandi hatiyanka umurwani zose tukozire twaroizingire esete zikuka miliyoni 9 twata yezi tukozireje rwanage tuzakuba turi miliyoni 10 plus.
Bamwe mu bayegito muhureje yo kwiruka hine batugambera
kunjemesereza kwiruka no kugira ngo nanye gakena kinja kunyine base kahayo tubase kwirukangira ababana bato abarukuzarwa batashikire na munonga abarukugomaka agataru kwebasa.
Ngenda kwebaza Rotary Club of Mbarara organizing event kandi nikunga ningashini ngandara abanyambarara bona n'abantu bona kugira ngo habo event kezo kwiruka babishe participating.
Aba biruka kilomita 4 kilomita 10 hamwe na kilomita 5 kandi Deriki Turijice niwe yasagaba kilomita 5 Cherengat LVD yasagaba kilomita 10 kandi we Opio Gilbert niwe yasagaba kilomita 4. Amakuru agagasha kwa Adolfa Yoreka.
Klaxon for the effort always. We do appreciate.